This is the cowboy six-shooter impression. What have you got?
Do it again. Do it again, then let me see your face. Would they do it to you? Huh? Would they do it to you? Huh? You like it though, don't you? What's he doing? Do it again. Don't do it again. Do it again. Now do the cowboy thing again. Just getting irritated.
No.
Do it again.
No.